What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Grace. How are you all doing today? In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do this fun and beautiful updo. Before that, let's just watch our intro. So I've already washed and detangled my hair, and I just put the hair in this thread method so that my hair could stretch. I don't normally apply heat to my hair for no reason. I don't even apply heat to my hair, so this is the only method I use in order to stretch out my hair so that I could achieve a very sleek and nice hairstyle or nice hair for this style. Okay, so this is so easy for me. If you want to know how I do it, I'm going to put a video. My next video is going to show you how I detangle and how I stretch out my hair to avoid damage, heat damage and all that stuff. Styling begin. I am going to make a braid going upwards towards the crown of my head. So once that is parted, I'm going to apply shine and jam hair gel to make it easier for me to grab the hair and braid it as clean as possible. So this braiding my hair like this is kind of funny. It's super, like, it's difficult for me sometimes because when the opposite side of the hair wasn't as clean as this first one. Okay, so guys, you guys just gonna manage it anyways. It's not gonna, the pattern is not gonna see, it's not gonna show. What they're going to see is just the braid. That's all they need to see. Now what we have to do is to brush the hair upwards and make a ponytail with it using this gummy hair gel I got from Amazon. Honestly, I can swear by this gel that it will keep your hair sleek for at least 2 days. So I just, put it in a ponytail and also hold it with my rubber band. And the bands I'm using are super, they call it crunchy. It's not gonna tear your hair apart. It's super nice and it doesn't break. Sometimes, have you ever done this ponytail before, and all of a sudden when you're trying to wrap your hair around it, it will just break? But this one doesn't do that. So what we're going to do is to divide the hair into, and I'm going to braid it and wrap them into a tight bun. So I went ahead, I did the edges off camera. So now I'm going to use some of this Afro twist braided hair extension and to make the bun. I'm going to be using two colors, 4 and 27, and I mixed the colors together and I made a twist and a little braids out of it. So as you can see, I attached a rubber band to it and I placed it on my bun and I wrapped it around the bun I already created. All right, so, and as you can see, I am adjusting it to the shape, to the knot shape I want it to be, and that is how you should do the same thing. Just watch what I do and you will get what you want. At first it might look funny because I was like having, like, you could see my face like I was dead serious doing it. So as I was just trying to make sure and shaping it round till I was satisfied, satisfied the way it is. And then I now randomly placed the braided hair around the knot and held it with a bobby pin, and that's what I did. So just to make this hair more fancy and more beautiful, I went ahead and accessorized it. I used the golden and the silver ones to just place them around the braids, especially around the braids. Yeah. So at the end of it all, I placed I used my scarf round it so that to put everything in place, both the edges and the hair. You know, we have natural hair, so definitely it will be flying away if you don't do that. And I just want to clear my throat before I get to this part. You get what I mean? So the next day, your girl came out looking like your girl came out looking like you know what I mean. A sunset queen, baby. Look at that glow. Look at that glow. Honestly, I can't talk much about it. So guys, this is the end of our tutorial. If you learn one thing or two, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, share this video, please share it. It's worth sharing, okay? And comment down below what you want me to do next.